the Friday, brother.
Now so. Now
we want to bother you. Take it. Shake it.
Alaji.
Nalayo. Girlfriend.
Take it. Their daddy.
Ashao. Take it. Shakolo.
What's up?
I love Friday, man. I love Friday, man. No, so
I'm so confused.
Now on Friday. Now with the many stories when it happen from Monday. They happen on Friday.
But I was very confused when you were talking about a shout. What's that?
Why
mention
mention
Ashao?
Who mentioned Ashao?
He did.
Me.
He did.
Me. That's why they near me, no hear.
So did you
Now
mention
you can't hear me. I
Because
didn't.
it's so strange.
Sorry,
You know, when I hear
what did you
strange
call?
things.
What did you call?
He said a shout.
A shower. A shower.
A shout.
You said a shower.
A shower. I don't know what a shower is.
What's a shower?
Meanwhile,
Shower is
can we for the first time ever on a freestyle Friday?
Yes.
Just speak on different accents. You can take your what do you call that? Your Indian.
Indian, okay, thank you for...
Me, I am just going to be the English British person.
Okay.
Where do
Then
you
he talks like the normal Igbo man.
Igbo man, yes.
That is in Alaba, but feels that he can speak English.
Yeah, that is the one of the
So you people mean to want to try let me understand now that I don't hear English.
No.
Is it what you people
We
want
are
to tell
just
us
giving.
that I don't hear English?
We are just. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna try and be in my very good accent.
That is, it is this same thing that you people are saying now. That was what made Whiskey
Okay,
to
what do you
slap
want to
Danny
choose?
Crane
What do
the
you want
other
to
day.
choose?
No.
That
What do you
was
want
what
to
made
choose?
Danny Crane to slap, was Whiskey to slap Danny Crane that day.
No,
Because you people, there were plenty of disrespect.
Excuse me,
Plenty of disrespect.
don't carry false information. Because I landed from India that very day with Skid. He did not slap Danny Crane.
I hear say,
Sorry,
I heard they slapped their
I heard
face.
that he broke his head with bottle.
He did not like his broke his head. You know, the club killers. You know the club, some places are high where you're standing.
So you can throw bottle down?
No.
Why?
it was
I want
not.
when they speak like you, God forbid.
No,
So
this is what happened now.
Okay.
It is normal thing now. Whiskey wanted, finished drinking the content. He
Were
wanted
they together in the same place?
No, they were not together.
Tengodo, he finished drinking content.
Yes.
In the bottle.
In the bottle.
Okay.
They were not together.
Okay.
But it was like Danny Crane was talking to his people about Whiskey. And Whiskey was telling people, see this boy.
He's talking about
that thing where he said, I'm sorry on internet, I told you it was fake. Look at him now, he's gossiping me here again. That is from a direct source.
So what you are trying to say is that
So Whiskey
there was
now-
something already that transpired before that day?
Yes, now.
What was the thing that transpired?
That
They
Whiskey...
have get quarrel.
Yes, that Whiskey stole his slangs.
Oh!
Yes. Thank you.
The reason, Ogo.
Yeah.
So the reason for all of this was
Yes,
that
he stole his
Whiskey
slangs.
stole his slang.
His slangs, that he brought this slang, Whiskey to use it to sing.
To sing
music,
it.
and the music.
So
is
slang,
becoming
no, slang is
popular.
causing
And
problem.
what slang is that? What slang?
I cannot really pinpoint right
Because
now.
I know slang
It's
like
not-
why I say of Patoraki.
Uh-huh.
If I come tomorrow and I say Patoraki, man, you stole my slang.
Okay.
Why I say?
You understand?
What will you say? I can break bottle on his head.
And Crane actually the Twitter or something that Whiskey is not very creative.
Oh.
But he later apologized.
Okay.
That sorry you had a minute that way and I just forget. You
That is
understand?
before the breaking of the head.
Yes, so
Okay.
it was already apologized. So when they got to this club,
Okay.
they were dancing. Danny Crane was on chamber, he was there, but he was where he was standing on top of chair. He was saying that Danny Crane was talking about him.
How do you see and
How
know
do you know?
in a club that large?
Where you are that large, and you have people
If you
everywhere.
have somebody that you have a problem with, you monitor his lips. And you see, when he's talking to someone and you see if they're looking at you.
Yes.
And I whisper to you, they don't look. You know, men cannot gossip like guests.
Like guests.
Guests cannot look at each other and talk about you, and you will not know. They will look and talk, but men, they don't look. They will look.
So please tell us, how did he now move from the point of hearing to the point of breaking?
They said the girl that's working in that place now,
Okay.
that is giving us the breakdown now, that Whiskey moved down gingerly as if he's going his own way, and now approach him that you are 4 cups of rice. In fact, you know, how dare you, before people can separate, he has already slammed the bottle.
So Whiskey slammed the bottle on his head.
And God, to be faithful enough, Damikrane as a street boy too has a very strong head.
Okay, his head did not break?
There was no blood.
No, I heard. The following day,
Yes.
I heard, how I knew of the story was Rhythm FM carried the story the next day, and they called Damikrane on the
I read them for
and
internet
I heard
that day.
Damikrane had stitches, that his head was still, and he said he had forgiven Davido. So I don't know what you're talking about.
Damikrane said he has stitches on his head.
Yes, that they stitch him. That they stitch his head.
Maybe, you know, when somebody do something, if you want to
make more money.
you
But he said, in order he has
the bottle
forgiven.
just broke, there was no blood at that point in time.
Are you sure?
As a matter of fact, the owner of the club, Shinapella, took 2 of them to his office to go and settle them.
Why
now
must
somebody
they
that is bleeding,
can they go
bleeding,
sit down with them and talk with them?
Talk with them.
So my point is this now, because Ugo, it looks like there's a trend.
No, the point
I'm
is
coming.
for me is that
Get my
I
point.
believe something is going on.
Ugo, hold on a second. There's a trend now. We have to do this thing. 2 of us should fight.
No.
So that somebody will come. You see, when Don Jazzy and Olamide quarrel, Dangote call them together. And we know that money.
And that is the reason why I
Now
would not want to
Shinapella
engage.
has called 2 of them into one
you
place.
expect that Shinapella will give them money.
Let me tell you.
Shinapella has money.
You expect Shinapella will give you
Let me tell you something. That is why the fight between Wizkid and Damikrane is not profitable.
It's not.
It is not.
Because it was the club owner that settled them.
Is not.
You know, when he was settling them, in my own imagination, if I can turn it to cartoon.
Don't change that accent too.
No, in their own mind.
Go ahead.
In their own mind, they will be saying, when they come on free us, Jare, why you, we call you to settle us? When Don Jazzy and Olamide first, did you see how your animation will come to settle them?
No, he did not.
Is he not?
That is true.
So you now step aside and
They want somebody like Otedola to come and settle
So
them.
in other words, you are saying that what Shinapella did was very wrong. He must have stopped the
business part
of this fight.
You know. No.
So now fighting is business.
Fighting is now
business.
business.
No, but you know why the first fight or the fighting of the other headies was a good one, was that it was just word of mouth.
The mad.
There was no breaking of bottle and the rest.
Oh, this is the real fight. Now,
This is a real fight.
You know, because Olamide says street to take over.
Yeah.
And these are the things happening.
It's already happening now.
But
So
wait,
who
are
is
you
street?
sure
Who
said
is
that,
who is?
No, this is double street because Wizkid is Ojo Alagba, Damikrane is Ikeja alone.
No,
Yes.
no.
It's
Wizkid is started from the bottom and now we're here. He's there. But Damikrane might still be.
Damikrane is somewhere
Damikrane
too.
is somewhere
Where?
too.
But the 2 of them are streets. You know, Computer Village.
Wizkid is not streets.
No, Wizkid is street. When they say street, that's where you started.
It's gone now. Streets can be inside. You can be from street, but you don't. Okay, let's come back. You don't go.
What if Olamide that is saying his street today? My brother, is he still in the street?
Olamide is in the streets.
Yes, Olamide is not in the street.
But wait,
It's still streets.
Where is he staying?
But wait, the question is this: Is it that now everybody want to be using different means to make money in this country? Because if you don't fight to money now, everybody will start fighting in this country. You will be seeing a yaw be fighting a freeze, and they're looking for somebody to come and separate them.
We already have one fight
With Freeze and who?
with Freeze and Basketman.
Well, it is true.
Yes,
Yes.
it's very true.
It is very
Up to
true.
the extent that on the day they did a show at the hotel, what show is that now?
It was Olamide's show.
Olive.
Olamide's contact. Olive.
Yes.
Based on the mode.
You understand now? They said I was not there because this
Just
is
tell them
our
the
show.
story.
We come here to gossip.
Yes,
It is
it's
our
not a problem.
problem. You know, they already had a small issue online. You know, small argument.
What was
Then
the
they put in the
argument?
freezer.
Tell them the
The
argument.
other one put in the freezer. Biate na Instagram. The other one put in one security.
So
What did they say? You
Basket. Cheregodu freeze. Unwa butere no picture with basket.
Can you explain
Yeah,
who
no.
Freeze is? Because I don't know what
Oh,
Freeze
yeah,
is.
it is that boy, that young man now, that is the OAP in Kule Fame.
Okay, Cool FM presenter.
Yes,
He's an
one
old
now.
man. It's not a
Then
young man.
basket.
It's not a young man.
Basket is the normal comedian.
Basket
Everybody
comedian. Okay,
do.
so what's the story? What
Then
happened
that day
online?
on that show,
No,
that
no,
day,
what happened online that caused this problem between Freeze and Basket Mouth?
I cannot really.
What I
lay
know,
my
I
hand
saw
on
basket in Instagram for Freeze. There was basket with many things he said there. And he said something about basket, mentioning basket.
Okay.
The basket now brought his own too.
And
Put to
Basket
freezer.
Mountain.
Okay.
Yes, now put to freezer.
Okay.
You know, in his own Instagram. Said many things and left it there. Now said something that the OAP no this wash. This wash no, but this wash it doesn't really worth something. You understand me? That was what
So
happened there.
I
So from there,
will buy a wristwatch in a very
Thank you.
affordable amount, not
Thank
cheap.
you.
I will not say cheap.
Thank
But
you.
affordable.
Because maybe me, I cannot even afford it.
Thank you.
The one they are calling cheap. And he say he
Are you
buy
trying
this.
to advertise your
He buy this.
wristwatch?
No, this one. I
We
bought
are
this
saying
one in
it,
Kuala
yeah.
Lumpur.
You
Understand?
know what you are doing now?
Now.
You remind me of
Don't worry, Kaiban break.
It reminds me of those university days.
Okay.
When we buy a wristwatch and we want to toast the girl, then we must be very sure the girl. If the girl don't notice that wristwatch, you are feeling bad. Then you now tell her, sorry, please, do you know what time it is? The girl say, you guys never notice. You're like, I don't know. Every time I tell this guy to come, he's
Because
not
now
coming.
Kaiban break. Let us do
And
break.
we'll
We are coming
continue
back.
on the
Let
Freeze
us
and
buy market. We
Basket
are coming back. Like Kaiban break. You are welcome back. This is Bobo's Yarn on a Friday night that we give you all the etc. things that have happened during.
Fight on the
We
industry.
talk about fight in the industry that the future to be making money.
Last week, someday, we'll talk about the Olamide and that boy. But this week, now, there are too many fights.
Who again has fought again?
Then, to round up the Freeze and
Basket Mount.
the day on of that show, of this thing, that Freeze was on the red carpet. Let me talk like this
an Igbo man,
man.
yeah.
Understand? They now ask him that, are you expecting to trail you this night? He now called another different comedian that is not even on the lineup of the show.
Hey.
Knowing fully well that the anchors of the show or the lineup people to perform are Basket Mouth and Bobby and Sheila. But they mention any of these people.
And Freeze was the MC?
No, it was a guest now.
Okay.
I'm
That's who are
sure
you
that day he
expecting
just come
to
there.
thrill
He
you?
just came there to come
Oh, okay,
and,
okay, Freeze was on the red carpet.
Yes, on
And
the
then he
red
was being
carpet.
interviewed.
Yeah.
And then he did not mention these other people.
In fact, he's best comedian. In fact, every other comedian they are nonsense.
Are you serious?
He now mentioned another name.
Are you serious?
So, you know, one of maybe the people interviewing him or somebody around, Basket Man was backstage. That I went to told him.
Who told him?
Are you asking me
These
now?
people are gossipers.
Basket Man went straight to the stage and carried the microphone in the general public of Eko Hotel or now for the whole Bodo watching live.
Hey.
So where is that man called Freeze?
Hey.
If I freeze you, finish here.
Hey.
In fact, you that your wife used to beat you. It is not a small something, no. Where are you? I'm talking fan. Let me tell you. I can even beat you. That day. I'm repeating what
Shakara, I can see you're a really, really good repeater and you're very good at telling stories. So in other words, what you're saying right now is that you have just said that Freeze wife used to beat.
I say that is what Basket Man said that day. It was televised all over.
So it's not as if it's a news story.
It was televised. So understand? So for you people asking me what happened, that's what I'm telling
you
you.
say that Freeze's wife used to beat Freeze. So if Basket Man wants to fight with Freeze, who do you think is going to win the fight?
And who do you think will separate them?
Somebody that woman has been beaten.
So you think
wants to
Basket Man
fight with a man.
So, but
No. I'm just thinking loud like you think.
So what are you saying? Who will beat who?
I don't know, but I'm just when the option, just like two small children fighting, and someone say, hey, you, my mommy can beat your daddy. The other one ask, how can you say your mommy can beat my daddy? See, I'm telling you, my mommy can beat your daddy because my mommy has beaten my daddy 3 times in our house. You understand? So that's the confidence.
So Wizkid, Dami Crane, who can beat who?
Two of them, they are of the same feather weight. And they call boxing lightweight. And the two of them, they are the same lightweight.
I think Dami Crane will beat Wizkid.
No, they are the same lightweight.
Don't just Olamide.
For physical.
Before, we're talking about physical all through. All these are the physical.
No, it can't be witchcraft.
Physical fight.
Physical fight. Gumu de gumu. Don't just allow me that. It be a tough fight.
Excuse me. It's got tough fight how? Who will beat who?
It will be a tough fight because physically.
Because
we have question for you people at home, please. We have 3 questions. Because they don't fight too much, we want to know. Olamide, Dojazi, who will beat who? Tweet
for physical
fight, not witchcraft anything.
No,
Olamide, Wizkid, boxing inside the ring, who go beat who? Wizkid and Dami Crane. And Freeze of Cool FM and Basket Man. These are the ones we know.
But I also had something on Nam. I had that. Cynthia Morgan came for the video too. What was that one? Yes, I had that Cynthia Morgan came for the video. That she did a video and put it there, and insulted him anyhow. And the video now came and said, "Thank you, God bless you."
I've not heard that one before.
Oh.
You able to not see the video? No, the video.
It's you who are the Sababos that used to get this video.
The video, that's a blog. That's a girl. They bring the blog every time.
I don't know all this is because
But wait, if you come and say you don't know this is this man that just came from Kuala Lumpur. How did he know the information that happened that day?
Let me explain to you. There's a clear difference with when you meet someone who's international and all the kind of news I hear is like Meek Mill is calling with Wale. You understand? Nicki Minaj has issue with
Meek Mill is correct.
What happening between 2 rappers? Is it the Meek Mill issue?
Meek Mill, yes.
And
Wale.
I also had
the 2 of them are rappers.
Yes, they rap. I also had again that
very well.
No, this last week again I had something
okay, at least you're international. Please
give us what happened between a Meek Mill and a 50 Cent. Because I know something happened this week.
Is it 50 Cent?
Yes, something happened this last week between Meek Mill and 50 Cent. You see, it is good to come to Alaba.
The problem is that I left America. I've been in Nigeria for like 2 weeks now. No wonder 50 has not been calling me. Let me call 50 and find out.
No, my phone is not. I wanted to call Amber Rose.
Are you speaking with Amber Rose?
Amber Rose, so not Amber Rose.
Who's Amber Rose?
Amber Rose. Not Amber Rose.
I know Amber Rose. I don't know about Amber Rose.
I want a small break because I need the money. Let us.
Can you DJ play music when it's coming back, please? We want music a little bit, please. When you come back. Thank you. It's Friday.
Chai.
We are back on. Ale, volume. We are gossiping today.
Take it, Alaji. Take it, Alaji. Oh yeah, show. No wahala. You dey making me go mad. Go harder. Okay. Making me wanna crazy.
DJ, kill it. Don't let them come to my shop.
I have another gist because since I came to Nigeria, I've been very sad to hear this is political that your vice president Osibanjo, in his list of what he wants in his budget, he has one list of books 4.9. I can't approximate. 4.9 is close to 5 million naira.
Million.
Yes, every year.
How much? Now million for books. I thought it's a billion.
No. It's if you divide it, it's like 400 and something.
Is it for his own office? His own office
only him, yeah.
But
Buhari doesn't have any list of books.
No, it's not that we need now.
Why wouldn't the president want books and just Osibanjo alone? And you don't think 4.9 million is plenty money for books?
Mm-hmm. With all fairness, I'm from South.
Okay.
If it's to be when Brother Joe
was there,
and he wants to request for books,
okay,
my brother. My brother.
No, but we compared.
You will see like
we compared
30 million or something.
No. We compared the list. Presidential, they don't have books in their own budget list. But the list for Nnamdi Sambu, who was an architect that we know also, like Osinbajo is a professor, that I believe already has plenty of books in his library. He has read. What does he want to read?
New books coming out.
How much is one book?
New book. You know how many you buy?
You are making me want to change my accent right now. I don't want to get angry. How much is one book?
Wait, some of these books, let me tell you.
Not even
some of these
e-books are cheaper.
Let me tell you.
E-books are cheaper. You don't pay for e-books most times. Okay, I'm hearing you from
these books. It's when you know they do book fair.
Okay.
You understand? When you travel to travel out. Yesterday they want to do one book fair.
Which is not every now and then.
You have to fly out to that place, you lodge hotel, everything.
Flying is not in that money.
Attend the book, maybe everything generally.
No. There is transportation and
there private jets.
It's different. His own is there.
But for you to go abroad, attend a book fair and buy some books, you know, within.
So 4.9 million for you.
To me, it's not so much.
Chelugodo 4.9 million is
on books.
4.9 million will get me plenty goods.
900,000 naira to buy 1 million naira. To buy books worth $1 million every year is even, you have so many books that you cannot read. 4.9 million naira. How much is somebody's school fees? If I don't change that, how much be person's school fees?
Let me tell you now. As Osinbajo is, he cannot come to me that I want to buy this book from me. Then I'll sell this book for him for 5,000 naira.
Yeah, I know, obviously. You will not go for years, you sell it.
Yes, now, because normally.
But let's be realistic.
It just be like when these senators and the rest say they need wardrobe allowance for so amount.
Okay. Yes,
you understand? If you're a tailor, if one senator come to say, so Agbada for that, talk through. Will you not charge him because he's a senator?
Yes.
You will give him the best service.
Yes, I agree with you.
So when the senator can't demand for more money, why will you not shout?
Let me tell you.
I know the benefits from their government, but I'm just telling you from my own point of view.
A book lover. A person like Osinbajo won't read book most time. When you want to buy a book, you will either know the price of the book either online. There's no book you want to buy.
No, who get time? It's a vice president who get time to check. Like even me. Let me tell you, you are not going to buy money now. Listen, the artists that I buy, that I don't know their price. But for find out, who get that time? You don't have the time to go and be checking the price of book.
No. For instance, now, if I want to allocate, I say, okay, like a president now, vice president, I want newspaper. We know how much newspapers are.
That one Nigeria,
You cannot tell me. That's what I'm saying now. You cannot buy.
Will a newspaper vendor bring newspaper to you as a vice president and they give him 100 naira per paper?
No, you will not.
To go?
You will not.
So the man, I say 4.9 million. You understand? For those books. Because they buy them more expensive because of who they are. I'm not supporting corruption. They are not giving me the money. But that is what it is. Because you know that this person is a president.
The highest book right now, that even if you want to say maybe this book is more expensive.
Order for the book.
Right now.
The person go bring the book come.
You know past 50k. How many books? If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.